So Jonathan, what was that you were saying about mommy and about Kamel being your stepdaddy?
That would never happen.
Wait till I move.
Huh?
Wait till I move.
Why you gotta move?
I don't need visuals.
Visuals of what, John?
Anything. I don't need no visuals of nothing. God damn it.
That what does that mean, John? What kind of... He is like murdering his bread repeatedly. The very thought of mommy like dating someone, is it that big of an issue?
Yeah.
Huh? Yeah?
Protective over her mother.
Both.
I just don't want to be there to see that.
You don't want to be there to see
I don't
what?
want to see no kiss. I don't want to see no hug. I don't want to see none of that. That's too much for a man to have. Man. Visuals, man.
But I gotta watch you hug your
No, you
little
don't.
friend.
I ain't never there.
I've seen you hug them little girls.
Yeah, by
It don't
friendly
even
hugs.
be like that. It be friendly hugs.
Okay,
Exactly.
so why can't my
Because
friend...
you said stepdaddy. That's a whole different type of hug right there.
Is the category hugs now? Yes, I believe so. The category is hugs now.
It's a whole different type of hug. That's called love hug. That's called significant other hug. That's called just nasty.
Just nasty. Dag. It's like that.
Yeah, it is. That's kind of weird.
So why does it have to be just nasty?
You ain't supposed to be dating until you about
100 and
95.
That's just disgusting.
Yeah.